Good evening time, everybody. 018 here at Donkey Stomper. Alright guys, we fixed this box the other day. This is Donkey Stomper 1000V-HG-2X8. It belongs to Mr. 357 in the Love Country. Good customer, good group member, and I appreciate him. We put a pill into the day, sent it back to him, and he bought a different pill. So I told him this time, I said, man, let's just put 8 new transistors in it, and that way, you know, we'll know what we got, because it's getting pretty old. So we put 8 brand new transistors in it. You can look down to there and see. We put new flame-proof resistor here, flame-proof resistor here, flame-proof resistor here. This gentleman has been a good customer and supported Donkey Stomper and supported his groups, and he's our channel member and YouTube channel member. He's on my YouTube channel and a lot of things. And I want to do something back for him, you know, show appreciation. And I noticed with I just had 4 megawatts in this, and used to do that a bunch because they used to be a little bit stronger. I swear they did. But anyway, I noticed when I keyed up, the fan lights were dimming, and I didn't really like that. So here's what I did. I did it. I took and changed over this power supply, matched the voltage, and put him another 100 amps in there. One of the new 100 amp switchers in there. So make sure he's got plenty of juice now, buddy. And this is a hot box. This box is running about 15.7, 15.8. So you're going to have to watch your dead key and SWR, but it's a hot box. So you need to just kind of take it easy on the drive. Don't be driving it real hard or nothing. Just take it easy on it, let it cruise. And it's a good one. Alrighty guys, let's start out looking straight through SWR. Well, we gotta turn the radio on first. I'm gonna get the radio turned on. Let the power supply kick on. But it's a dandy. Now it likes about, when the variable's wide open, I think it likes about a 1 watt dead key. So if you're keying more than 1, 357, turn it back till you get 200 out of this. That's one thing I want to be plain about. Keep your carrier on 200 out. So if your radio's keying 2, you're gonna turn this down to get it 200. If your radio will go down to 1, you're better off to get close to wide open and go that way. Alright. Just be sure to run a good SWR and watch your carrier. Should be good to go. Alrighty guys. Start out with straight through SWR. Worldwide, 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 worldwide. Barely moving. There's the radio, 1, 2. We're keying 1.1, swinging 47. Alright. We're gonna turn it on. Leave it wide open. And the way I've got it is when this is off, it turns off that new module. See? So when you turn on standby, it takes a split second to turn on that module. So now you got, instead of 160 amps, now you got 260 amps, which you lose a little bit. I understand that for turning the volts up. So, you know, you're over 200 amps. So this is one of the hottest 2-base I've ever built, or ever fooled with. Probably one of the hottest ones I've ever done. Alright guys. Hello, worldwide, worldwide, check it out. Worldwide, 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 worldwide. That's crazy. Worldwide, worldwide. I wasn't doing 25 last night. They got a little more energy. Hello, worldwide, worldwide, worldwide. 5 watt reverse, output reflex. Reading that scale, that middle scale. Hello, 1, 2, 1, 2, about a watt right on the money. And the reason why this is the reason I run birds in my LP. The grounding situation on the LP, they'll throw some foolish SWR readings sometimes that ain't even right. Hello, 1, 2, think grounded just right and everything. So I go ahead and I run the bird too, so I can look at the 5 watt reverse. You know, that way it's a double check the digital meter. Hello, about a watt and a half. That's good. All right. 2500 watt PUP on the bird. Hello, 1, 2, 2250 on the bird. So this is a good hot box, man. This thing's hot. It's a hot one. Hello, worldwide, sound kid 176. Hello, worldwide, 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 worldwide. Now it's probably getting a little warmer now. I could put some attenuation in it where you can dead key more into it, but I don't really want to because of the I just semi-turn the variable back a little bit and keeps the drive down. But make sure you got a good drive and good SWR, man. You got 8 new transistors, 100 more amps of power supply. Surprise for you, my friend, for being such a supporter of Donkey Stomper. Hello, worldwide's crazy, man. Worldwide's a hot box, worldwide. I put that in there because of the way you support Donkey Stomper. And I appreciate it. I want to show our appreciation. But I'm proud of this whole box. It's a good one. One more time for the march downs. One more time for the march downs. Get on down. Get on down. So, you can hear just a little bit of the microphone talkback coming through where we're so close to everything. But no lid on it. No Faraday cage. But see, these right here, sometimes they'll do funky stuff because they're grounding the whole system. I've got it pretty well straightened out, but I keep that meter there for backup. You know, just so I know. But I kind of like this box. I almost want to keep it. Hello, get on down in the world of sound. It's sweet. There she is, guys. Donkey Stomper, 2x8. Mr. 357, Love Country. Appreciate you. Appreciate your support, club members and all that, and appreciate the business. So that's what that's for. Alrighty, guys. Thanks for watching. Y'all take care. Your friend 10, 018 Beavis, Donkey Stomper. Catch you later. Bye-bye.